Well, this boot is a size 12, so that just shows you how big this tree is. So the anchoring roots to hold a tree up this size, they'll span over a 50-foot area easy. So actually, they'll go to 75 feet. The neighbors got anchoring roots from this tree in their yard. For something like this, we'd rather use Kubota power than manpower, that's for sure. Over the years, this tree has raised the ground around here. But that's all right. We'll go through all those high areas. We'll get the bottom of the trench flat so that it doesn't hold water, and it'll have slope all the way to our chambered sump pump system.